Welcome back. EDU.Next 2012 is open for aspiring students at Kala Academy till Sunday. Principal of Dempo College Rahika Nayak has asked the government to take up education on priority and make Goa an education hub. The EDU.Next event gives an opportunity to students to choose their career next.
We want education to be the next priority sector in Goa. The government should take it up as a challenge to make Goa an education hub. If a small place like Manipal can be an education hub, I don't see why Goa, with all its plus points, become an education hub.
Chairman of Kala Academy Vishnu Wagh informed that BJP government is looking forward to allocate sufficient amount of funds to develop education scenario in Goa.
In the process of preparing the budget, he was very much concerned that we have to allocate a sufficient amount of funds to the development of educational scenario in Goa. And you see, if you read the budget carefully, you will see that he has done it. He is really committed, and we as his associates are very proud that we have got a chief minister who has got a lot of vision for Goa, which will open up new vistas in the coming age, and we'll be seeing really the educational scenario in Goa reaching the top heights.
Chief Secretary of Goa Sanjay Srivastava said that education is the biggest ornament of a person. He also mentioned that child should have the guidance to understand his potential while choosing a career.
Ornament of any human being for any time is the education. If you are a well-educated person, that is your soul of your whole personality. So this is the opportunity where we look into the young students, what they should go for. The opportunity we should have to choose, understand their choice, what choice he's got, what aptitude he has got. We should not allow to go for a subject where parents only want, unless only child also wants it.
A video journalist in Panaji, Sushant Pal.
And now news from sports. Kingfisher Goa football squad are upbeat of their match against Meghalaya on Sunday. Coach Matthew D'Costa told Prudent over the phone that a few players are carrying a few injuries, but that would not affect the team composition. Goa are placed on top of their group after beating Uttar Pradesh in their opener on Friday, closely followed by Manipur. Goa's Sunday opponents Meghalaya are placed third and will be looking to avenge their defeat against Manipur on Sunday.
Goa's efforts to bring back the Santosh trophy started well with 2 late goals against Uttar Pradesh. Goa has 2 big challenges with Meghalaya and Manipur in their group, and as such will have to play a lot better and score all their chances. Any injury problems you're fearing? Any injury problem?
The thing is, Jessel Kaller, I was talking about Jessel. Jessel is having some slight problem with his ankle. He's having a slight problem with his ankle, left ankle.
Okay, so only one player.
He's having a slight strain on his thigh.
Okay. Overall, what is your mood in the camp right now for tomorrow's match? How are the boys feeling?
The mood is very upbeat here. The boys are, very energetic and they are giving their best. Even yesterday, they were all over them.
Okay. And yesterday's victory came a little late. You have the winner coming a little late, but nevertheless you all won. Any pointers you saw in the boys in yesterday's match that you want to tell them today to improve for tomorrow's match?
Yeah, definitely. Scoring. We missed a lot of chances yesterday, so we have to work on that department.
Okay. And Bengal have also lost their match, so that seems to be the tournament seems to be sort of wide open. Anything could happen. How grounded are you keeping the boys, and what are you telling them at this stage, especially as a coach, when you don't have much time between 2 matches? Like you just now said, the scoring, they have to convert all their chances. How much of pressure are you under as a coach, because you have very short time between the matches to work on certain aspects, given they are very young?
But then we have to adjust to this situation, we'll just tackle one game at a time. That's our main thing. I just want to focus on just one match, not to put in their minds the long way we have to go on like that.
And what do you feel are your chances for tomorrow's matches? Any predictions in your mind, or you feel a win or a loss? Anything in your mind right now?
Every team is doing a good. What we saw yesterday, Meghalaya and Manipur, both the teams are good. So we'll try our best to put our best foot forward and
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Don't worry if you have missed this news bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch the latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.